If you get a second DUI conviction in Georgia and you're convicted again of that second conviction, the penalty for that is going to be determined based upon how long ago your last DUI arrest was. Not last DUI conviction, but the date of your last DUI arrest. Okay, the Department of Driver Services is going to do something to your license, and they're going to look back 5 years, only 5 years, from this arrest that you got the DUI conviction to the last arrest that it resulted in a conviction. And if this is the second one of those within 5 years, the DDS is going to suspend your license for 18 months. For the first 120 days of that 18-month suspension, you cannot drive whatsoever. It's what's called a hard suspension. At the end of that 120-day period, you can get an ignition interlock put onto your vehicle and drive with that for the remainder of the 18 months. That's just what DDS is going to do if this is your second DUI conviction within the last 5 years. The court, on the other hand, is going to do something with respect to your sentence, and the court looks back not 5 years, but 10 years. So the court looks back and says, is this your second DUI within the last 10 years, measured arrest to arrest? And if it is your second, then they're supposed to mandate at least 72 hours in jail, which is different from the first DUI conviction, which is 24 hours in jail. So 3 days basically in jail. And I think you also have to get a much more significant community service requirement. Normally it's 40 hours community service for a first DUI, but on a second DUI, we're talking about 240 hours of community service. The key here is to realize that when you're talking about a second DUI, you're measuring the date from this arrest back to your last DUI arrest. DDS looks at the last 5 years, the court looks at the last 10.